Alright everyone, this is a sprite and don't worry about that. What I want to show you guys and demonstrate is why palletize your work. There's multiple reasons. One of the main reasons is that, for example, if you have an object like that that has a really definite color palette, and obviously in the gray in that one, that's why I choose that one. Okay, why use all the colors in the palette? There's millions of them, and it makes your work very heavy, which slow down the game engine when it runs your work. Okay, so because of that, it is smart to actually palletize your work. Palletize your work, which actually delete the colors that are not used by your work. Simply that. Okay, and use only the color used in your art piece, which will make it a lot lighter. That's number one. But also, you can save that palette and reopen it in the swatches, which I'll show you, to actually give you only the colors to paint on it that will fit it. So that's pretty cool if you need to do some touch up and so forth. Okay, so let's look at it. It's very easy to do. So you have your picture, whatever you have. Let's say we'll take that digger right here. It was, sorry, I gotta change to normal. We'll take the digger. It's from one of my video game. It's a little machine. Right here. Okay, and actually I'm gonna make it as small as pixel art. Okay, so image size really quickly. We'll make 25% of it. So now we're talking, the size of your character pretty much. Now what you do is that you go to image, actually edit right here, and you're gonna go simply to define pattern. Okay, give it a name, and then makes a pattern. Now, what happens is that a pattern can be repeated, that's one thing. Now what you want to do is compress that palette and then make a pattern, okay? What you do is you go to image mode and you're going to go to index color right here, and in that you can choose what you want. Stay selective and you can downgrade it. You can see how it's changing, and you can go to like 32 and it will change even more. You can really go down to like 4. See how it changes. 128 should work very well for that machine, or even 64. All right. And basically, after that, you can go back to mode, color table. This is the palette color table now that you've constrained it to. See, it's take a lot out, so that's going to be a lot lighter. You can save that. I'll put it as you right here. And we'll click test. Okay, right here. And click OK. Now check that out. We can go in the swatches right here, change that right here, and replace swatches. Go to our ASU right here. Oopsie, sorry, it's a 3. You gotta change to table, test, and go load. Bing. And now that's it. All the swatches, all the brushes, everything you're gonna be able to have to use will be colored. That'll blend perfectly. All right, so there's a double use of that technique of palletizing. Um, and so, you know what I'm saying? And then you can make a pattern like I showed you at the beginning of your palletize. Let's see if more often I do a pattern when I make a seamless texture. So but I wanted to show you the pattern too. You can just create, when you have a seamless texture, whatever you like, just create right here your pattern. And then after that, you can make a new, make a new picture. You can go right here and go and change that for patterns. Click on it, select your pattern right here, and then fill it up.